Okay, this might be going up as like a bonus video. I'm not sure. Because I think this comes out today. And I got my package from my bestie, Kane. And I'm opening this upside down so you don't see my address. But let's go ahead and pop her open. I've been so excited for this. Okay, so I can't show you everything in here. Oh my gosh, because they are future SPC edits. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hold on. Let me show you these ones. Where's the purple? Here it is. Okay. Let me show you these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 other SPC edits that are coming out. And my God, are they beautiful. But let's go through these first. Excuse all the other things laying around here. But, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, this is Kane's anniversary bundle. I believe it's the year 6. And I am so excited. So excited for Kane. I love him. He is the greatest. And by supporting him, you're supporting just a sweet, sweet guy who is just the literal best. So this is the newest SPC edit. And this is a gorgeous purple. That is what I've seen wanted the most was purple. So I am glad that it is now available. And it is just literally everything. The SPC edit is an A5 wide as of current. And then on the inside you have the pockets, which these fit 4x6 journaling cards. It's the one time I don't have a 4x6 journaling card. Yes, I do. Near me. Hold on, let me grab one so I can show you. This is an SPC one. But like Simply Gilded, whoever, Hannah. You put your journaling cards in here and they fit perfectly. So it's one of my many great ideas. I know, I'm annoying. And then your sticker kits, which will be a little sneak of something that's coming out next week, fit in here perfectly. And then over here, another sneak for next week, you can put your doodles, but also you could take the same 4x6 journaling cards. They will fit in here if you just trim a little off of the top or the bottom or both. They will fit in this window. If you can see, they will fit in there perfectly. So it's, whenever I was thinking about this, the SPC edit, it was just the ease of setting up a planner. I feel like that's one of the most daunting tasks whenever you get a planner is like all those random pockets that you really don't know what to do with. But if you have 4 little like journaling or 3 little journaling cards, or you could even just, this fits, I'm pretty sure, on one piece of paper. Print it at home, print it at Staples, size it up 4x6 and then 4x whatever this is, probably like 4x5. And then just print it out and you have a setup. It's literally as simple as that. You still have pockets if you want to put something in, but if you don't put something in these pockets, I don't think it's detrimental. Even in here, I think it's just cute to have it there. And then you have like a full setup. Put a card here, put a card here, put some pictures here. I think that'd be cute too, especially if you do memory planning. I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a card up here. And then do like 2 pictures in the back of like my kids at that age. And I think that's a really cute idea as well. Or maybe you and your friend, you and your partner, you and your puppy, whatever you want to do. I think there's a lot of options that are just super easy. You could just buy, even just buying photo prints. Those are like what? Like 15 cents? Buy 4 of them, call it a day. And you have a whole planner that's already set up. No thoughts needed at all. And I love this color. It has silver hardware. It does have the 2 buttons and also the pen loop. And again, this is a 5 wide. So this is the gorgeous, gorgeous purple. And then there is also the kit, and there's a bunch of other extras. So first things first is there is an acrylic pin of the scene here. And then there is also the keychain of the tools. So you have the print impression precision cutter and the print impression tweezers. It also comes with a Scribble Prints Co. sticker kit. This is mystery size. The sticker kit itself will not be coming to SPC, so it is exclusive to Kane. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through this. I am going to go through it a little bit more in detail in next week's new release video, just as a little reminder that it is available. Super stinking cute. I love these fashion boxes. Kane wanted a lot of different people in there. And then there is also the foil bundle, which was also Kane's idea, a mixed metal silver and lined hollow, which is gorgeous. You have the silver bougie boxes, or the star silver and lined hollow bougie boxes, the newer icon style, and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, which is really where you could see the silver and the line hollow. It's so gorgeous. I love this format. I think it looks so pretty with this. I think Kane did already do a like plan with me using it. There's also a SPC edit in pink magnet, as well as a mini little die cut that you could totally put on a water bottle or your laptop or whatever. I think he said that it was waterproof. So that is the bundle. And then there was also a secondary bundle, I believe. I'm not like 100% sure on the deets, but I'm pretty sure this was a bundle. And then you could also get all 3 new SPC Edit colors as a bundle as well. And these colors are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know if I have the blue one near me. Is there a blue one before? Maybe not. Anyways, so you have the purple, which I just showed you. All of these have silver hardware. There is this really gorgeous green. This is one I don't think you should sleep on because it is a really unique color. It's gorgeous. It's the perfect shade of green. And again, same the pockets on the inside. It's just gorgeous. So we have the green and then also the blue, which always reminds me of Kane. And it's just perfect, perfect, perfect. I got a lot of shadows going on today. So that, my friends, is just a little sneaky peek / what you can pick up at Printpression right now. And I am just so excited, and congratulations to Kane on, I'm pretty sure it's 6 years. And I just wanted to show you everything. What's your favorite color? What are you picking up? I need to know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in my next video.